The Lord said to Moses, "The 10th day of the 7th month is the day of atonement. Hold a sacred assembly, and deny yourself and offering made to the Lord by fire. Do not work on the day, because it is the day of atonement. When atonement is made for you before the Lord your God, anyone who does not deny himself on the day must be cut off from his people. I will destroy from among his people anyone who does any work on that day. You shall do no work at all. This is to be a lasting ordinance for the generations to come. Wherever you live, it is a Sabbath of rest for you, and you must deny yourselves until the following evening. You are to observe your Sabbath." No one lights a lamp and hides it in a jar or put it under a bed. Instead, he put it on the stand so that those who come in can see the light. For there is nothing hidden that will not be disclosed, and nothing concealed that will not be known or brought out into the open. Therefore, consider carefully how you listen. Whoever has will be given more. Whoever does not have, even what he thinks he has will be taken from him. Now Jesus' mother and brothers came to see him. Because of the crowd, someone told him, "Your mother and brothers are standing outside wanting to see you." He replied, "My mother and brothers are those who hear God's word and put it into practice." One day, Jesus said to his disciples, "On the other side of the lake." So they got into a boat and set out, and they sailed. He fell asleep. A squall came down the lake so that the boat was being swamped, and they were in a great danger. The disciple went and woke him, saying, "Master, Master, we're going to drown." He got up and rebuked the wind and the raging waters. The storm subsided and all was calm. "Where is your faith?" he asked his disciple. In fear and amazement, they asked one another, "Who is this? He commands even the winds and the water."